Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Acer model and connected input, because menu options vary. Power the unit and pick the correct source. Once the image appears, disable automatic keystone correction so you adjust size without distortion. Make sure the projector is level and roughly aligned with the screen center. This prevents skewing when you change distance. Now that the image is visible and straight, move on to the precise positioning and menu controls to change the projected size. Now fine-tune how big the image gets. Move the projector forward or back to change the throw distance, because the screen size directly follows this change. Once roughly sized, engage the lens zoom control to reach the exact width, and then adjust manual focus until text and edges are crisp. While doing this, open the menu and select the projector's native resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio if your screen is widescreen, since that preserves correct proportions. Finish by centering and leveling the image. Use lens shift for precise vertical or horizontal placement, and limit keystone adjustments because they distort size. Once satisfied, save the custom preset, and if offered, lock front panel controls so settings don't change. If anything goes wrong, for example, a persistently blurry image, check the lens for dust or smudges, confirm the source device output matches the projector's native resolution, and then repeat the small zoom and focus tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.